Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our group meeting for TSI4213 System Integration Architecture. So in this meeting, we are focusing on discuss our group project, which is AMU click system. Let's start with introduce ourselves. I'm the group 1 leader. My name is Li Jieming.
My name is Li Jisheng.
My name is TVJ.
And my name is Liao Yongming.
All right, let's start with the first introduction for our project. Let's welcome Mr. TJ to discuss the introduction part.
Good day, everyone. Today, I will introduce the MNU Click System, a centralized platform designed for student, lecturer, and administration at Multimedia University. This system plays a crucial role in streamlining operations such as fee payment, attendance tracking, and academic data management. By replacing traditional paper-based processor, the MNU Click System ensures quicker and more efficient access to essential information. The MAU Click system offers a number of key features and benefits. First, function as an integrated platform that combines all the necessary tools for student, lecturer, and administration. For instance, students can pay tuition fee, enroll in course, and update personal information. Second, it enhances efficiency and convenience by providing tools like QR code, roll call from lecturers, simplifying attendance tracking, and enabling students to register courses with ease. Administration also benefits from streamlined student data management. Lastly, the system offers 24/7 accessibility and ensures security through a two-step authentication process, which includes both login credential and one-time password from traditional protection.
Hello, my name is Liao Yongming, and I'm excited to introduce requirement elicitation. Stakeholder 1, students. Students are the primary user of the click system, leveraging it to manage various aspects of their academic journey. Their key activities include paying program fees, enrolling in classes, tracking academic progress and attendance, viewing class schedule and academic result, and updating personal information. This feature empowers students to efficiently manage their academic experience. By centralizing this function, the click system enhances convenience, reliability, and accessibility for students. Stakeholder 2, lectures. Lectures are the academic backbone of the click system, focusing on teaching and evaluating students. Their key activities include recording student attendance, grading assignment and exam, monitoring students' academic performance, booking venue for teaching sessions, managing class schedules, and assessing student academic and personal information. The click system streamlines teaching and administrative tasks, allowing lecturers to dedicate more time to academic development of their students. Stakeholder 3, admin. The admin is the core support system for the Click platform, ensuring it operates smoothly for all users. Their key activities include managing users' account, performing regular system maintenance and updates, ensuring data accuracy and security, resolving technical issues for students and lecturers, and monitoring system performance and reliability. Admins maintain a secure, efficient, and reliable platform for all stakeholders, ensuring the seamless operation of the system. Now, let's discuss how we gather requirements for students. For students, we use questionnaire as the primary method because they allow us to collect feedback from a large group effectively and analyze data easily to produce actionable insight. Here are examples of the questions we ask students. How would you rate the accuracy of information provided in the click system, such as class schedule or academic result? How would you describe the ease of navigating the click system? How reliable is the click system performance? And how useful are notifications or updates provided by the system? For lecturers, we also use questionnaires to gather requirements. This method is suitable because lecturers have diverse teaching assignment and user experiences. Here are examples of the question posed. How reliable do you find the click system for accessing class schedules and teaching related information? Have you faced technical issues such as errors, slow performance while using the system? How well does the system support assignment and grading management? And how frequently do you update or access students' information on the click system? Finally, for the admin, we use questionnaires tailored to their specific roles. This ensures we gather comprehensive feedback on back-end management, Example questions include: how will you rate the overall performance and reliability of the click system? How does system handle simultaneous usage by multiple users? How effective are the reporting tools for tracking user activity and generating analytics? And how often do you assist users with the system-related issues? Thank you for your attention. I will now hand over to Mr. Lee Jason.
So for the requirement of the student can log into the Credit system by using their ID and also the password to perform the various tasks such as enrolling in subject, making payments, and updating their personal information. They can check their attendance, view timetables, and check the payment details to ensure compliance with academic requirements. Venue reservations are also facilitated within the system, it allowing students to book available venue with admin approval. Additionally, students can update their personal details and access the result slip after exams for easy review and printing. The requirement of the lecturer use the Credit system to monitor and manage student attendance by generating QR code for efficiency tracking. They can update attendance record, notify students of their status, and manage the barring list. The system also allows lecturers to input student mark and grade directly, making examinations results easily accessible to students. The requirement of the administrator oversees system operations by managing student payment details, approving venue reservations, and notifying students of update via Outlook. They can also access and update student information to address administrative issues effectively. These features enable smooth system functionality for all users. Now I will pass to my team members, Ms. Lee Jimmy.
All right, I will continue with the system constraint for project duration. Our project is scheduled to be complete within 12 months and is divided into multiple phases, which is project initiation, requirement gathering, designing, development, testing, and deployment. Each phase has specific tasks and timelines to ensure the project stays on track. For project initiation, it takes 1 month to form the group team project and develop project plans. For requirement gathering, it takes 2 months to identify stakeholders and gather user needs through interview, survey, and observation. For designing alternative, it consists of 3 months, which is to create system architecture and framework using modeling technique like class diagram, use case diagram, activity diagram, and state diagram. For the development phase, it consists of 3 months, which is to develop core system components, integrate them, and perform initial testing. For testing phase, is 1.5 months, is to test the system functionality, performance, security, availability, and accessibility. The last phase is deployment and training. Is take 1.5 months to complete, is to deploy the system and conduct training session for users and stakeholders. The next one is project scope. The scope of our project is to develop a comprehensive campus life cycle management system that integrates various functions into a series of modules. The main users are students and lecturers at AMU, with administrators managing academic records. The system includes features such as finance, venue reservation, attendance, student information, enrollment, and examination result. Access is restricted to MNU students, lecturers, and administrators using their own identity numbers and password. So the next one is user accessibility. For students can access finance, venue reservation, attendance, student information, enrollment, and examination result. They can modify finance, venue reservations, student information, and enrollment, but only can view the attendance and examination result. For lecturers can access and modify attendance and examination result. For administrator, each administrator have access based on their department roles. For example, financial administrator can access finance but not access the examination result. So the next one is resource estimation plan. Our team is consists of 4 person, which the total salary is 190,000 ringgit Malaysia. The hardware and software tools, which is PC, consists of 5 units, which cost 4,059 ringgit 0.25 cent. For CPU, consists of 5 units, which cost 2,022 ringgit Malaysia. For RAM, consists of 5 units, which cost 1,388 ringgit 50 cent. For the reusable software components, for user interface, the estimate LOC is 3,500, database management is 5,000, peripheral control function is 2,500, and user documentation is 3,050. So the total estimate LOC is 14,050. So based on the resource estimation plan, we can calculate the estimate effort and the cost of single LOC. We assume that it is 620 LOC per person month. The level rate is 5,000 per month. So the estimate effort will be 14,050 divided by 620, which equal to 23% month. For estimate total cost, it is 23 times 5,000 level rate, which equal to 150,000 ringgit Malaysia. For the cost of the single LOC is equal to 150,000 divided by 14,050, which we will get the answer is 8 ringgit 19 cent ringgit Malaysia. So the next one is budget estimation plan. So the budget is 201,000 ringgit Malaysia. The actual cost is 186,353.75 ringgit Malaysia, and the undercover is 14,646 ringgit Malaysia 25 cents. So here is the table for cost benefit analysis. We have calculated the cost benefit analysis for 3 years. So based on the table cost benefit analysis, we can calculate the NPV and ROI. So the cost for year 0 is 191,354, and the year 1, year 2, year 3 is consists of 9,000. Then we will calculate the discount factor for the 3 years and calculate the discount cost. So the total discount cost is 213,764 ringgit Malaysia. For the benefit, year 1 is consists of 96,650 ringgit Malaysia, and is same for year 2 and year 3. The total discount benefit is 240,658 ringgit and 50 cents. So the discount rate is 10%. We can get that NPV is equal to 26,894 ringgit 0.50 cents. For the ROI, we take the NPV divided by the discount cost, which is 26,894 ringgit 0.50 divided by 213,764 times 100, which we can get 12.58%. So let's proceed to Mr. Lee Jason to discuss the use case diagram.
So this page is showing the use case diagram of the quiz system. The student is only can allow enroll the subject, check the attendance, check the timetable, check the payment details, make payment, venue reservations, update their personal information, check the result sheet, and also the login process. But for the lecturer can only check the attendance, log in and log out process, update attendance, and also update the result sheet. For the admin, he only can check the payment details and approve the venue reservations, log in, log out process, and the last one is view student information. So I will pass to my next team members.
So for the activity diagram, it show the workflow of the system. For a student, they will log in first. After that, they will enter the student ID and the password to verify the password is true or not. After that, the student able to manage the personal information, enroll course, manage payment, venue reservation, examination, and check attendance. So for example, for the manage personal information, student able check personal information and edit and save personal information. So for the lecturers also same with the student, they must be login first and enter the ID and the password. After the verification, lecturer able to manage student attendance and examination. So for the examination, lecturer can update the exam slip for the exam result for the student. Last, for the admin also want to log in first and enter the ID and the password. After verified, admin able to manage the payment, view student information, and venue reservation. For the venue reservation, the staff are able to confirm the requirement, venue reservation, and reject the requirement venue information, then log out.
So now let's move on to the class association diagram. This diagram illustrates the relationship between different classes in our system, which focusing on students, lecturers, and administrators, and features such as finances, enrollment, and attendance, venue reservation, examination result, and student information. Student to finance, a student can have multiple finance record, which this relationship consists of one-to-many relationship. For student to enrollment, a student can enroll in multiple subjects. For student to attendance, a student can have multiple attendance record. Student to venue reservation, a student can reserve multiple venues. Student to examination result, a student can have multiple examination results. Student to student information, a student has one set of personal information, which making this is a one-to-one relationship. For lecturer to attendance, a lecturer can manage attendance record for multiple students. Lecturer to examination result, a lecturer can manage examination result for multiple students. For administrator to finance, an administrator with a financial role can manage multiple financial records. It's a one-to-many relationship. Administrator to venue reservation, an administrator can manage multiple venue reservation. Administrator to student information, an administrator can manage personal information for multiple students. All right, here is the end of our meeting. Thank you for your sharing and contribution in this meeting discussion and project. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.